Now, moving on to exercise 5.2. இதுவுமே அதே cases தான். So, I'm going to solve each and every question. So, differentiate the functions with respect to x in exercise 1 to 8. So, இப்போ first question என்ன? Let me solve each and every question. So, first question, f of x is sine of x square plus 5. So, df by dx is going to be sine or derivative என்ன? Cos of theta, which is x square plus 5 in this case. I need to do d by dx of the term that is inside. So, d by dx of x square plus 5 என்ன? 2x plus 0. So, what is my derivative? What is my final answer? 2x times cos of x square plus 5. Very, very simple. Please watch my previous video for example questions. Okay? Previously, I had solved examples. So, adhula innum detail ah potiruken. In that it is quite simple. Okay? Now, second question, f of x is cos of sine x. So, df divided by dx is going to be cos or derivative is minus sine theta. And what is my theta? Sine x. இப்போ d by dx of sine x பண்ணணும். Sine x or derivative என்ன? Cos x. So, it is going to be minus sine of sine x, which is the first term. Second term என்ன? Cos x. The derivative of sine x is going to be cos x. This is my final answer. Okay? Final answer மட்டும் highlight பண்ணிடுங்க. So, this is my final answer. Now, third question, sine of ax plus b. So, third question, f of x is equal to sine of ax plus b. These are all very, very straightforward questions that you learned in your 11th standard. Sine or derivative, cos. The theta is ax plus b in this case. Now, the derivative of ax plus b. So, d by dx of ax plus b. Ax plus b or derivative is simply a. So, I take the a outside. I'm going to have cos of ax plus b. So, this is my final answer. Okay? Please copy the first 3 questions. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is also very, very simple. Secant x or derivative enna? First, d by dx of secant theta is going to be secant theta tan theta. Correct? So, the derivative of secant theta is going to be secant theta tan theta. Let me just move this to the left. Little bit theta get on la. Okay. Now, secant theta tan theta. Appuram tan theta or derivative enna? d by dx of tan theta is going to be secant square theta. இப்போ இது derivative கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? So, I have df divided by dx is secant theta or derivative enna? Secant theta tan theta. So, it is going to be secant theta, which is tan of root x times tan of root x. புரிஞ்சுதா? So, this is secant theta times tan theta. This is my derivative of secant theta. Okay, secant theta or derivative பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ bracket குள்ள என்ன term இருக்கு? Bracket குள்ள I'm having tan of root x. இப்போ அதோட derivative கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா? So, I have the derivative of d by dx of tan root x. Okay, so now this is going to be secant of tan root x tan of tan root x times d by dx of tan theta. Tan theta derivative secant square theta. So, I'm going to have secant square theta and root x. Now, I need to do d by dx of root x again. Function of function of function. 3 different functions irukku. First secant theta or derivative, then tan theta or derivative, now root x or derivative. So, what is my final answer going to be? Secant of tan root x tan of tan root x times secant square root x times root x or a derivative is going to be d by dx of root x inga eludren. So, d by dx of root x is going to be 1 divided by 2 root x. So, idu denominator la vandruma. So, I will have divided by 2 root x. So, this is my final answer. Okay? Very, very simple. Please copy. Question number 5. Sin ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus d. So, இந்த இடத்துல first என்ன இருக்கு? So, this is of the form u divided by v. Correct? So, first division la இருக்குனா அதோட derivative என்ன? vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So, இப்போ df divided by dx is going to be vu dash. V என்னது? This is my v. So, it is going to be simply cos of cx plus d times u dash. So, it is going to be d divided by dx of u another. It is going to be sin of ax plus b minus uv dash. So another sin of ax plus b is my u times v dash. So it is going to be d divided by dx of cos of cx plus d. Correct? So this is going to be my v dash, d by dx of the denominator, the whole divided by v square, which is cos of cx plus d the whole square. இப்போ ஒரு term differentiate பண்ணலாமா? So what is my numerator going to be? Cos of cx plus d அப்படியே இருக்கும். d by dx of sin theta. Sin theta derivative என்ன? It is going to be cos theta. What is my theta? ax plus b. But my theta is not simply theta. ax plus b இருக்கா? So I need to find the derivative of that also. So d by dx of ax plus b minus இந்த term முடிஞ்சது. So always put a bracket. So இதுக்கு ஒரு curly bracket போட்டுறலாம். I'm going to open a new curly bracket for the next term. So இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு? Sin of ax plus b d by dx of cos theta. So it is going to be minus sin of theta, which is cx plus d, and I need to do d by dx of cx plus d. Correct? Now I'm going to close the entire bracket. Now divided by, don't forget the denominator. So I have cos of cx plus d the whole square. இப்போ இந்த step என்ன ஆக போகுது? Cos of cx plus d times, I open the bracket. இதோட derivative என்ன? The derivative of this is going to be simply a, and the derivative of this is simply going to be c. b is a constant and d is a constant, so the derivative of a constant is going to be 0. So I have cos of ax plus b times a, so this term is done, minus sin of ax plus b. You see that I have a minus here. You see that I have a minus here and I have a minus here. So the minus into minus is going to become a plus when I take it outside the bracket. So here it becomes a plus. I have sin of ax plus b. Then the remaining terms are sin of cx plus d times c. This is a derivative. The derivative of cx plus d is simply going to be c divided by the denominator. Don't forget the denominator. Cos of cx plus d the whole square. Okay, always mention the whole square. இந்த இடத்துல இந்த மாதிரி எழுதாதீங்க. Mention whole square. So this is for the entire denominator. So the whole square. So what is my final answer? It is going to be, இந்த இடத்துல a வ காமனா எடுக்க போறேன். So I have a cos cx plus d cos ax plus b plus c times sin ax plus b times sin cx plus d the whole divided by cos of cx plus d the whole square. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy. So என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் basically? What is your understanding? You have u divided by v, so it is of the form vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. V என்னது? It is cos of cx plus d and u is your sin of ax plus b. So first v எழுதியாச்சு. This is my v and you have u dash. So this is my u dash d by dx of இது. Then I again have u. So it is going to be sin of ax plus b. Then I again have v dash, which is going to be d by dx of cos of cx plus d divided by v square, cos of cx plus d the whole square. இப்போ next step la I'm going to find the derivative of each and every term. So இந்த இடத்துல sin x ஓட derivative is going to be cos, and I do not have simply cos, so I need to find the d by dx of ax plus b. So இந்த இடத்துலயுமே I have a cos marked in purple. So I have sin of cx plus d, which is going to be cx plus d. Okay, so இந்த இடத்துல next step la derivative பண்ணிட்டே வந்தா I'm going to get my final answer. Okay, be very careful when you're doing the derivatives. Functions குள்ள functions இருக்கும்போது be very careful. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay.